Today I'm going to share with you 3 powerful smoothies that will help you lose weight and target belly fat, and they are very simple. This is the first one with just 4 ingredients and you are good to go. So here I already boiled my pineapple back and I filter it. So that's the water that we're going to use to blend it. Please note that these smoothies can be used for children as well. So it's not only for adults, children can benefit from it. And this channel is called Healthy Parenting because we try to do something that is good for ourselves and for our kids. So this is also good for kids. Please don't deny them these wonderful smoothies. It is always best to squeeze the lemon juice fresh and add it to it and mix it, and there you have it. This drink is very powerful. It will help you lose weight and target belly fat. It is best to drink it first thing in the morning and last thing before you sleep. Try it and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Do you know that healthy eating is the best way to lose weight? And let me tell you, when it comes to being overweight, I know what it means. This is how I used to be. That's me. And today, this is how I am, looking cute. And I did all that with just foods. No gym membership, no pills, no surgery. And let me tell you, I put all those healthy recipes into my cookbook. And introducing to you my weight loss cookbook. And let me tell you, those foods are not just healthy, they are very delicious. And they are all there to support your health and help you lose weight. And if you are wondering what am I going to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, they are there in the book. So we have breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks, and you're going to enjoy them, and it will surely help support weight loss. And I believe in reducing sugar and still enjoying your dessert and also your snacks. Just get a copy. It is available on Amazon, and let me know your review after buying the book and you will not be disappointed. So go get a copy. Back to the video.
This next one is root-like vegetables, and they are very healthy. They support weight loss, and you just add water. It's just 4 ingredients in total. Very easy to put together and make it, and you would like it. And one thing with this one, you can drink it like this, or you can squeeze it into juice form if you don't like the fiber. This drink supports digestion, boosts immunity, supports weight loss, and helps you lose belly fat. So you can either drink it like this and put in all the fiber into your body, or squeeze it into juice form. Liking the video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Here's the next one, and it's green smoothie. Also, it's 4 ingredients put together so as to make it easy and simple. So you just put it into your blender and add water and blend. That's all you need. Be sure that all your ingredients are organic because it does the job very well. You will not want something that will add problems to you, but something that will support your body. So organic fruits and vegetables are preferable. Here is another powerful smoothie that is good for your body, your overall health. It supports weight loss, it boosts immunity, and it will help you to lose belly fat. There you have it, how to make 3 different smoothies that will help you lose weight, support your body, and lose belly fat. Thanks for watching.